Hello, my name is John Michael Reyes from B81, and now I will discussing to you about integration formula and examples. Okay, integration of 4x x squared plus 5 raised to the power of 3 dx. Okay, let's find u and du. Okay, first u and du. U is meaning x squared plus 5 and then ang du is 4x. 4x ang derivative ng x squared plus 5. Ano siya ng 2x ini constant minus 0 sa 2x dx times to dx, then divide 2x, cancel, then du 2x equal to dx. Okay, next proceed sa integration 4x u raised to the power of 3, and then ang dx i-replace na to ang du 2x. You can see 4x and 2x divide siya ng 2. Okay, 2 and derivative u and du is equal to 2u over 4 plus constant. Kaya ito minus niya tag itong power rule lang gigamit. Ngayon mo siya 4 then 4 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Then sa ubos have ang same, add 1, and then ni mag-divide man is siya minus siya 1/2 u raised to the power of 4 plus c, then ang u is x squared ini x squared plus 5, but ato ni siyang but ito bayluan 1/2 x squared plus 5 raised to the power of 4 plus c. This is the final answer. Okay, next example. Integration of 8 cosine 4x dx times dx. Una, hanapan natin u and du. 4x and du is 4 dx. Then same atong process, tag-divide nato siya sa 4 may mas siya na du over 4 ng dx. Saka mabiling kayo makancel, minus siya kung ini-divide 4. Then proceed to 8 cos u times u du 4. Ito siya gi-replace na rin sa dx. Replace na tong du over 4. Then next name ini siya ma-divide. Divide na siya 2. Then 2 pagawas na tong 2 cosine u times du. Okay. Okay, may siya tong set. Okay. Then next, the antiderivative of cosine is sine. 99 is sine 2 sine times u plus constant. Then final answer is 2 sine this u is 4x. Then natin ang 4x plus c. And then this is the final answer. Okay, this is the example of our rule. X yung 1 is 5, tapos x plus 1 ikaw 5 plus 1 plus constant. Then the final answer is x 6 over 6 plus constant. And the gamit nato is ini na formula ining power sa power rule. Integration of x of raise is n dx x n plus 1 n plus 1 then plus constant. Dapat ang n is not equal to negative 1. Then next example, square root of x dx equal to ini siya x 1/2 ato siyang gi-rewrite dx, then x yung power is 1/2 plus 1. Tagamit na to ang power rule, and same sa ubos 1 plus 2 1/2 plus 1 plus constant. Then proceed ta x ining 1 may dyan ng 2 over 2 para ma-plus na to. Okay, 3 halves na lang answer nila. 3 halves then equal ato siyang magamit ang reciprocal ining sa ubos. Then 2x ang reciprocal plus 3 halves plus constant. This is the final answer. Okay.